In this video, I'm going to show you how to add users to your Facebook Ads Manager account. So you want to start off by going to facebook.com/business/tools/ads-manager, and that's going to take you to this page, and just click on Go to Ads Manager. You may have to log in. I'm already logged in, but I'm in my Facebook Ads Manager. And we'll just go right over here and click on Settings. And this section shows the admin and the advertisers that are added to your account. So we'll just go to Add People. And by default, you can add an account advertiser, and that allows someone to run ads on this account. For this video, I'm going to go ahead and select Account Admin, and that'll give full rights to be able to manage the account fully. And then just select a friend that you want to add and click Confirm. Okay, so this person that has been added will receive a notification that they've been added to the Accounts Manager and will be able to manage this Facebook Ads account.